GM, I'm Mystic, and I make games on Solana for a living. And I wanna teach you guys how to make games on Solana too. Step one: pick an engine. So there are a lot of engines: Unity, Unreal, Godot, GameMaker, and whatnot. But I recommend you to use Unity or Godot. Godot is very lightweight, and Unity is all powerful. So pick one. I'm gonna pick Unity for this one. But Unity is just a game engine, and sometimes what you need is a little magic. But Solana is slow. To make it faster, you can use Magic Block. Fun fact: Magic Block made the first Unity SDK. Crazy, right? Also, the average Solana block time is 400 milliseconds, but you can use Magic Block to reduce that to only 10 milliseconds. Isn't that crazy? Magic Block has a wide range of support for wallets, but you can use Privy with Magic Block to get extra connectivity at any time. Nice. Now pick a game idea and build it using magic.